From the first hot air balloon rides, where adventurers soared into the skies in colorful, buoyant vessels, to the modern marvel of drones, which now allow us to capture stunning aerial footage with ease, we humans have always been captivated by the perspective of the sky. The ability to rise above the ground and see the world from a bird's eye view has fascinated us for centuries. To see the world spread out beneath you like a giant map come to life is to experience the thrill of exploration from a new angle. It's a perspective that transforms the familiar into the extraordinary. Mountains shrink to manageable hills, their rugged peaks softened by distance. Rivers become silver ribbons winding their way across the landscape, tracing paths that have been carved over millennia. And structures, built by human hands, take on a breathtaking grandeur, revealing their full scale and intricate design. From above, we can truly appreciate the ingenuity and effort that went into their creation. There is perhaps no better way to appreciate the true artistry of engineering than from the air. The intricate designs and bold structures stand out in stark relief against the backdrop of the Earth. Bridges, in particular, transform into feats of geometry and balance, connecting distant points with an elegance that defies their massive size. They become symbols of connection and human ingenuity. And in the far eastern reaches of Russia, where the Sea of Japan meets the sky, stands a bridge that embodies this aerial perspective perfectly, the Russky Bridge. This engineering marvel stretches across the water, a testament to human ambition and the desire to connect distant lands. As stretching over the Eastern Bosphorus Strait, the Russky Bridge is a vital link connecting the bustling port city of Vladivostok to the island of Russky. This impressive structure spans over 3,100 meters, making it one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in the world. Its construction was a monumental task involving cutting-edge engineering and thousands of workers dedicated to bringing this vision to life. This island, once a closed military base, is now being developed into a hub for education, research, and tourism. The transformation of Russky Island is a testament to Russia's commitment to innovation and development in its Far Eastern territories. Universities, research centers, and tourist attractions are springing up, turning the island into a vibrant community. The bridge, therefore, is not just a marvel of engineering, but a symbol of progress, signifying Russia's ambitions for the future of its Far Eastern territories. It stands as a beacon of connectivity and development, linking the island to the mainland and opening up new opportunities for growth and prosperity. Completed in 2012, the Russky Bridge held the record for the longest cable-stayed bridge span in the world for a time, a testament to the ambition and skill of its designers. The construction process was a feat of modern engineering, involving innovative techniques and materials to ensure its stability and durability. But it's not just the statistics that impress, it's the sheer visual impact of this structure as it soars over the water, a ribbon of steel and concrete suspended against the vast canvas of the sky. The Russky Bridge is a breathtaking sight, especially at dawn or dusk when the light plays off its sleek lines and towering pylons, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty and grandeur. The design of the Russky Bridge is a testament to both form and function. Its two towering pylons, reaching a height of over 330 meters, are shaped like inverted V's, giving the bridge its distinctive profile. These pylons are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are crucial to the bridge's stability, acting as anchors for the massive cables that support the roadway. These cables, arranged in a fan-like pattern, are a marvel of engineering in themselves. Made from hundreds of individual steel wires spun together, they are incredibly strong, capable of withstanding immense tension and wind loads. From a distance, they appear as delicate threads, yet they hold the key to the bridge's remarkable strength and stability. Section 4. Eastern waters, western skies. Imagine yourself soaring above the Eastern Bosphorus Strait, the cool sea breeze whipping through your hair. The vast expanse of water below is a mesmerizing sight, with gentle waves reflecting the golden hues of the setting sun. The tranquility of the scene is only broken by the occasional call of a seabird, adding to the serene atmosphere. Below you, the deep blue waters of the Sea of Japan stretch out towards the horizon, dotted with cargo ships and fishing vessels. These vessels, both large and small, navigate the waters with purpose, a testament to the bustling maritime activity that defines this region. The contrast between the vast open sea and the industrious human activity is striking. To your left, the vibrant city of Vladivostok sprawls along the coastline, its hillsides dotted with colorful buildings. The cityscape is a blend of modern architecture and historical landmarks, each telling a story of its own. The lively streets and bustling markets add a dynamic energy to the picturesque setting. And then, directly in front of you, emerges the Russky Bridge. This architectural marvel stands as a gateway between the mainland and Russky Island, its towering pylons reaching towards the sky. The bridge is not just a means of transportation, but a symbol of connection and progress. From this vantage point, it's easy to appreciate the bridge's impressive scale. Spanning over a kilometer, it is one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in the world. The sheer size and elegance of the structure are awe-inspiring, a true feat of modern engineering. The roadway, stretching over a kilometer between the two main pylons, appears as a slender ribbon connecting two worlds. It gracefully arches over the water, providing a vital link for the people and goods that traverse it daily. The bridge is a lifeline, seamlessly integrating the island with the mainland. The cables fanning out from the pylons create a mesmerizing pattern against the sky, a testament to the ingenuity of human engineering. Each cable is meticulously designed to bear the immense weight of the bridge, working in harmony to maintain its stability. The intricate design is both functional and beautiful, a perfect blend of art and science. Section 5. A bridge for a new century. The construction of the Russky Bridge was a monumental undertaking, a testament to the determination and skill of thousands of workers and engineers. Built in just over 4 years, the project involved overcoming numerous technical challenges, from the region's harsh weather conditions to the complex logistics of transporting and assembling the massive bridge components. Completed just in time for the 2012 Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit hosted in Vladivostok, the bridge quickly became a symbol of Russia's modernization and its growing presence on the global stage. It represented a bridge not just across a strait, but towards a future of greater connectivity and economic development for Russia's Far East. Section 6. Suspended in time. As your drone hovers above the Russky Bridge, you can't help but feel a sense of awe at the ingenuity of its design and the sheer scale of its construction. The bridge seems to exist in a realm between earth and sky, a testament to human ambition and our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. The cars and trucks traveling across the bridge appear as tiny specks, their journeys made possible by this marvel of engineering. And as the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the water, the bridge takes on an even more ethereal quality, its silhouette a striking contrast against the vibrant hues of the evening sky. Section 7. A sight to behold. There are few sights in the world as awe-inspiring as a bridge captured from the perspective of the sky. And the Russky Bridge, with its unique design, its impressive scale, and its stunning natural backdrop, is a shining example of this aerial perspective at its best. It is a reminder that true beauty can be found not just in nature, but also in the things we humans create. And as you guide your drone back towards the mainland, you carry with you a newfound appreciation for the artistry of engineering and the breathtaking views that are revealed when we take to the sky.